roughly rules. A से अजगर, ई से एक, ई से ईश्वर, you start letter A first. Write 3, but extend the down curve a bit above. Then put a small sleeping line and then you put 1, then above a small sleeping line. Now letter A. Ye. This is dirgha ye. Never you should pronounce ye. This is not ye. This is ye. Ye, it's very simple. First we begin with a standing line, then slanting line, parallel standing line, completing the letter with the top line.
सात, एट, 8, 8,